Welcome again, people. Actor and nightclub proprietor Garfield Budboy Trevor Reid is scheduled to appear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court in Halfway Tree next Friday to answer to the breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act, Noise Abandonment Act, C0URT, and Spirit License Act. He has chosen not to retain a lawyer to plead his case before the court. From my arrest until now, I have taken my social media platform and wholeheartedly joined the fight against COVID-19. I have learned a lot and gained a lot of experience as a public figure, not only to use my space in society to entertain people, but also to help to do the right thing, to safeguard and protect my country and my people, especially in times of crisis like this, Budboy Trevor told the Star. In March, members of the public were duly warned that failure to adhere to the restriction under the Disaster Risk Management Act will amount to a fine of $1 million or 12 months in prison. Reid was arrested and charged after a police team raided a pool party being hosted by him at Plantation Drive, St. Andrew in March. Reid was charged with breach of Disaster Risk Management Act, Noise Abandonment Act, and Spirit License Act. He was arrested alongside 22-year-old cashier Kenil Smith. The police shut down the party and seized a console and a quantity of liquors. Anyway, people, thanks again for tuning in, and if you not subscribe yet, you know what to do, so we can keep on up to date. Later, peace.